Okay, so we're gonna do some stars. Oh, I just got sparkles all over that. But we're gonna show you how the mission control can be manipulated. Since it's shiny and cures shiny, we're gonna make this background matte. And what that does is it creates a cool canvas for these glossy art gels to pop off of, and then they look extra cool, almost like stickers. So I take the matte. I mean, if it's a cleansing one, cleanse it. And then with stars, I do the typical like trace your, I'm gonna do it kind of coming off the nail. So trace your shape like you did as a kid, the up, down, sideways, all that. I kind of just trace that out first as a general guide. And then we'll connect them all and fill it in and make it a little sharper. So now that that's traced, you can fill in your center. And like you can see, this side is bigger. So I'm gonna make that sharp and match it up here. When I wanna cover a bigger area, I lay my art brush down. And then this comes straight across to here. It's matched to the size. This comes straight across over here. I feel like this could be a little wider because it comes straight across. You're just like checking your straight across to make sure it actually matches and doesn't look like a wonky star. Wonky stars are cool and all, they're just not usually what you're after. I feel like this one needs to be a little bit bigger. Okay, so that's a cool red one. We'll do a blue one. I'm just gonna flash carrot so I don't mess it up. Just so I don't like hit it with my hand, because that happens and it's so sad. So at about 10 seconds, it's held in place. Before I switch to blue, I wanna make it almost like a couple stars. Like the blue is gonna come over here and probably down here. So I'm probably gonna put like a point here, like a star's falling off the nail. And fill it in. So that helps. Kind of, oh, there's like a fuzzy out to ruin our look. Okay. So I'll probably do blue, blue, blue. So that'll be good. So now I'm gonna clean off the color, acetone, alcohol, whatever you wanna do. Let's get the blue going. I'll drop it here in case. So I want my star to like come through this space. So I'm gonna do my main point, and then I'm gonna pull it across. Again, that same childhood sketch is actually super helpful. So you can kind of fill it in. I need a little bit more because I made that one a big corner, so I want to match it. Fill it all the way to the edge, and this one's pulling over. I'm trying to decide if so it gets that corner right there. Okay, so the blue's on there. Let's do like a smaller one falling off the nail over here. Fill it in. You can just pull it in little strokes. Because that comes straight across. It's cute. We'll do a point up here too, just to fill the space. So it's cute, and it really pops from that matte background as gloss. So once this is cured, this will stay shiny. So, and it's non-cleansing, so you're good to go once it's cured. Super cute.